So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another product review from My Lovely FRO. If you guys are not familiar with this company, I did work with them. I think it was sometime last year because the owner had reached out to me and asked me to review her products, and she reached out to me again and asked me to review one of her newest products. So that's what I'm here to do today. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, this product that I am going to review again, it's like an edge tamer, and it does work best on damp hair. So today was my wash day. So immediately after I had put my hair into these two puffs, I went ahead and I applied this product to my edges. Because you guys know I lay down my edges, so I just did a little, nothing too dramatic, just a little bit right here, and as you guys can see, it is a laid. It's not like slap on laid, but once you guys set it, wrap a scarf on it. It's recommended to leave on there 10 to 15 minutes, but I left it on there the whole entire time I was doing my makeup, so there we go. But enough about that. I will be sure to leave the links to the other video down below in the description box as well as in the cards, so make sure you guys check that video out as well. And I do have a code for you guys in case you head over to her website and see any products that you guys might want to try out. I do have a code to save you some money. So the owner of My Lovely FRO is Christina, and I just absolutely love her. Like, when she first got her business started, she reached out to me because she's seen my videos and all that stuff, and I do appreciate her for still wanting to work with me and sending me any products that she wants me to try. Like, I'm all for it. So the product that she sent me, first of all, here's how the product looks. This is the 2 ounce, I think, yeah. This is the 2 ounce, and this says My Lovely FRO Mind Control Edge Taming Hair Gel. So this is how her packaging looks, and here's the back. It has instructions, and then she sent me same thing, but this one has the brush. So I did demonstrate it for you guys, so I will insert this in the video so you guys can see how to use it. And of course, she always sends this little Bible scripture, so I do love that. So here's the 2 ounce. On the back, again, it has My Lovely FRO Mind Control Edge Taming Hair Gel. So it is a hair gel, okay? So it says directions: apply to hairline edges, let set and dry for at least 10 minutes. Now, she emailed me and did say that it works best when your hair is damp. So like I said earlier in the video, I did apply it when my hair was damp. Then I used my scarf, wrapped it around, did my makeup, and I just took off my scarf before this video. So the ingredients in here is rose water, I think this says moringa oil, vitamin E, castor oil, lanolin, looks like it, rosemary, grapefruit oil, and germol plus, I think. So it does smell good. It has a little smell to it. It pretty much smells like the other products that she gave me in the past. It's a specific smell. I can't put my finger on it. And then again, the same thing is in here, but with the brush. So today what I did was and you guys will see that in the clip, I did put this on the back of my hand, then I just took the brush and applied it on my hair, which I could have just used this, but I decided not to, okay? So I will be sure to leave all the information down in the description box. You guys can check out my lovely fro. I will leave the website down below as well. But most importantly, I will leave you guys a code. You will get 20% off by using my code. Pin the code down below in the comments as well. But in order to get 20% off of your order, use my code Lindsay, spelled just like my name. You guys know how to spell my name, so here it is. I will leave it down below in the description box, and as I stated, I will pin it in the comments. So I do want to thank Christina once again for reaching out to me and asking me to review her products, and as always, I do look forward to working more with her again in the future. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments and I will try my best to answer them. You guys know I always replying back to my comments, whether it's in a timely manner or later, but I will get to you guys. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss another video from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.
Ryan Little. Japan.